Instagram has a Lite version now, so let's see why. So before we start this video, I hope you just subscribe to my channel to get notified next videos. So let's start. Instagram is growing, and while it's growing, it's planning to keep this growing more. So they just added the Lite app, which is available at the Play Store now, and you could find it and you could download it quickly because it uses only 573 kilobytes, which is 55 times lower than the main app, Instagram. So you could save the space. What else is the data usage? The Lite app uses very low data usage than the main app, because if you just use it a less data usage, you will save money if you are using 3G or 4G or whatever. Anyway, this will make it a good reason to use it. Also, the less performance. If your phone is slow and has very weak RAM, if you just have 1 GB of RAM for example, and a low CPU, so you could use this app without any problems or lag or any slow content in this app. So this will make it a good reason to download it and use it. And if you think your phone is good, just download the classical Instagram instead of Lite. And I recommend Lite for every phone, but the Lite version has a lower features than the main app. So this is all the reason to don't use the Lite app. And you decide. And I hope this info will help you. And before I leave this video, I hope you just comment something if you just want to see the next topic of the next video. If you have interest, just tell me and I will make video if I like it. And don't forget to subscribe like I told you in the first time. And see you in another video, and I hope you become my fan.